What up YouTube? In today's video we're gonna install a 10-inch subwoofer on the 350Z. As you know, I already did the speakers for the door. I know the car's a little bit dirty, relax, it's still at the shop. But we're gonna be putting that right here in the behind the seat. It's a baby 10-inch with its own amplifier. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna set it up, where I'm gonna run the cables if you decide to get this type of amp. As well, I'm indecisive right now. I don't know if I want to do these speakers yet, the ones in the back. As you see, it is a base model. It does not come with the speakers in the back, but maybe I could, you know, run something and make it work. But anyways, so yeah, I think I'm gonna run it through here, the cables underneath the carpet, through here to the firewall, over and up. But yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. The subwoofer just got delivered to the house. I'm still at the shop, so expect me opening it and doing a review on that shit. Cause I don't know, maybe it might be ass, it might be good. We gotta find out. Alright guys, check it out. I got the subwoofer. Check it out. We like it loud. The fucking diagram. That's what it is. Here it is. I'm gonna take it out the box. Oh, it feels really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna dump this bitch and see it and check out the subwoofer. Here it is. Got my little 10-inch right here with a built-in amplifier from DS18. This is how it looks. It looks so cool. I can't wait to plug this bitch up on the 350Z. I want to put it right behind the seat. I think it's perfect, bro. This thing is small as shit. Like, oh my god. I already got fucking my dog's hair on that bitch, but fuck it. Look at that. It cost me like $230. Brand new. Well, it says refurbished, but this looks like a new speaker. This looks new, and they obviously cleaned the box, so I'm pretty sure that's what they did. It could have been a bunch of reasons why they refurbished it. Could be this one bad, or both of these went bad, but I don't know. But it was like 20 bucks cheaper to get it refurbished, and obviously they're an okay name brand. I actually know them from a bunch of car meets in Florida, in Miami, but I can't wait to run this. I'm already running the door speakers, as you saw in the previous video and today's video. So can't wait to hook this up today. Well, actually tomorrow. They also gave me another fucking box. Let's see what this shit is. If I could open it. I think I can. Let's see what the fuck this shit is. Oh, wires and screws and another adapter. Oh yeah, this is the remote. It comes with a remote, and then I would assume these are some wires for something. I don't know what the fuck that is, to be honest. And then the screws, I have no idea what the fuck that's for. But yeah, I got my remote. Taking this with me to the shop tomorrow. And then let's see if we can install this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how I did this. Ready? So you're gonna take off all this shit. You're gonna get a razor blade. This is what a razor blade is, so you guys are sped. You're gonna cut right here, as you see my cut right there. Now the wire is gonna be stuck a little bit, but it's easy to grab. This is red. It's gonna be all. See where that metal bracket is? It's gonna be on that. So you're just gonna grab it, pull it, and then you're just gonna feed it all in. All in. That's how easy it is. All right, guys. It's the next day. As you see, I already started taking it apart. Now relax, guys. It's not that hard. So I can't really take off the shifter. I gotta put some clamps here and take off the shifter, whatever the fuck it is. But anyways, so this is pretty easy. Anyone can do this. As you see, this shit goes like this, just like that. Just obviously gotta put these clips in there. But anyways, I just got this. I put it right here and pried it open, and I took it out. And then there is a connector in the back. There's a shit ton of YouTube videos on how to do this. As you see, I popped that shit out with my thumb. Just be careful, because that shit did fuck my hand up a little bit. But remember, I had the wire here. I rerouted it now. Now it's right here, looking a little bit better. I don't want that little nipple sticking out. So then you got two screws here, and supposedly this just pops out. I just needed to plug in the speaker wires on the back of the head unit so I could get that awesome bass. So I'm gonna take these fucking screws out and get a screwdriver, because my dumb ass didn't bring that shit. So yeah, give me a minute. Alright guys, so as you see, I took this piece off. Now my stupid ass put a pry bar under here and was about to destroy the two fucking screws on here. But the screws are actually just on the top, as you see. But you got two more screws in the back, and then this piece should be able to come out. once I get these 2 other screws, I believe, and then I can fucking plug the wires in. All right, guys, so there's actually a clip right here. As you see, it's actually really easy to get to. Like, all I had to do was like pinch it like this and it pull out. It was really easy. Like, it shouldn't be that fucking hard. If you have hard, no, man, go jump off a bridge. But then I pulled it up all the way, and then I just tilted it back forward. As you can see what I did right here. Just tilted it back, as you see. And then I have the shift knob laying inside there. But I don't really give a fuck about that. We're looking at over here. There's our connections. So we need to plug in these fucking wires, 2 of these, into over here. And then we need to grab the signal wire. And we got to plug it into one of these that says signal. One of these says signal, and then I have to run all the wires in here, all the way in here, all the way to the back right here. So it should be pretty easy. This was actually really easy. I don't know how long the video is until I edit it, but it was really easy, guys. I'm not even joking with you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you what we did. So you're gonna connect your 2 speaker wires to these right here. I'm gonna throw a photo on which ones and circle them, and then you're gonna find this blue wire right here, and you're gonna try to slice it in the middle, and then put a little pen inside and open it, and then you're gonna rotate these right here. And if it could focus, there you go. You see what we did? Now you're gonna get some electrical tape and wrap it up. So I'm gonna go get some electrical tape and wrap that shit up and put everything back together and run the speaker. All right, y'all, so I got everything back in. Pushing it down firm. As you see, everything's down firm. Perfect. Now I gotta put these little 2 screws on. This is how it is. I'm gonna be doing this all carbon fiber anyways, and then we're gonna be doing some other stuff in here. All right, guys, I think this is how I'm gonna have it right there in the seat. I don't know, maybe I want it in the back. I still don't know, but so far this is how it is. I just wish the seat went back a little bit further, but this is my, so I'm gonna bolt everything up, you know, run the ground and all that fun shit. All right, guys, so check it out. I decided to put the sub right here. Look how fucking good that fits. And then, bro, they're like fucking new this shit, man. Look at that. Boom, ground is good. Now we're gonna fucking put that shit in there. I'm gonna run the wires through the passenger side over here and run them up. I know it's gonna look shitty, but I'm not really trying to take off the interior, man. That's too much fucking work. But, so I'm gonna get all those cables over there, run that shit over here, boom, and it should be good. Alright, guys, just like that, I have everything already set. It's really easy. All you guys really have to use is the manual, ground, signal, power, boom, red, a black cable, and then the other cable. So everything's plugged in. Now I just gotta do the fuse in the front, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, just like that, everything works. I even got the fucking remote, as you see. This thing sounds amazing. I wish I could, I wish this thing could connect to the radio, but it really doesn't. It only connects to Apple CarPlay. I think the last owner didn't hook it up, and I wasn't really gonna dig through that shit to fix that. But overall, it sounds really good. I really love it. It has a really strong fucking kick for a little 10, but I wanted a 10. If you guys do a 12, it's the same fucking setup. Also, my wire management isn't the best, but this is the daily. Yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.